Thank you for joining the course. I'm your instructor, Jack Chen from Hong Kong. Now in this course, I'm sure you are going to learn a lot of different skills. However, to embark your journey, you need necessary tools, source code, books, videos, or maybe other resources to help you. Because of that, I've consolidated a list with all the resources that will be helpful to you in my personal webpage. You can visit jackchen.hk/resources. jackchen.hk/resources. In that page, you can find a lot of useful resources for you. And I'm also happy to make a shout out here because I want to introduce you my newly published book, which is Python API Development Fundamental. Now in this book, I have a lot of advanced technique in Python and also RESTful API development skills that I want to share with you. Please go to the page and take a look. I hope you have a great learning journey. Thank you for staying with me, and let's get started.